Hello and how are you? In this tutorial, we will see something different no one talks about. So, if you search how to make an extension, what pop-ups is just Chrome and things for Chrome and video tutorials. But did you ever want to build an extension for Microsoft Edge? So, if you're using Microsoft Edge, you should see that the Microsoft Edge Store, which is this have many, but how do they make it? How do the Microsoft make it? How do this thing do? How this chat. So in this tutorial, we will see how to make it, and I actually built the CPK extension, which is this. Okay, so we will see how to do it. So first of all, you will need to create a folder and open it in Visual Studio or VS Code. Then you will just close this and go to my what is called my website, which is channelbasha.blogpost.com, which I have and Microsoft extension. The link will be in the description. So hit it. So JSON. So other extensions use something called JSON, and even I don't understand it. But from what I know, it's just the understanding. So we will create a new file and just call it manifest.json. And inside of this, we will just go here and copy this code. We will go here and insert it. You will add its name. For example, mine is example since it is an example. Then the version is 0.1 since it is the first version, and the author, your author, I like to keep the author as basic code. Then I like to add a little description. For example, here I will add this sorry, this this is ex, an extension. No, this is um this is this is a tutorial example. For example. And the icons, you have to set the icon. The default title the same as the example, so I will set it as the example. The icons, you will need to add some images. So let's go here and like grab my YouTube, the my YouTube image. So this is my image. I will save it and I will just go to my desktop and just place it where my extension is. I forgot. Yeah, this one. And now when we go here, this is mine. So here I will have to type its name. So it is channel for underscore profile dot gpd. Then I will just copy this and just insert it in block. and here, and here. Now there's a JS, so we have to go here and just make a script .js or any type, but you need to name it and same as here. So let it. Then there's the matches. So where do you want your extension to be working? So I wanted to be working on, let's say, YouTube. So we have this, then enter the YouTube URL, which is https, sorry, then then youtube.com, then slash, then this star. And this star means any image, anything on it. So I will turn my YouTube, YouTube. Sorry, don't know what's happening. So youtube.com. So the feature one. The when like I go in onto my channel, it is working. When I go inside my playlist, all of these, but you have to keep the domain youtube.com. But YouTube adds this weird www, so I will have to www here. Then in my JavaScript we make anything. So let's say an alert, and let's say extension is working, for example. And this means any page I visit, it should come up with the same thing. So how to run it? So we will open a new tab and go to it, tab, and type extension tab. Okay, then here you can see that the CPK that I have it, so I have it here, and the Grammarly and the Power Automate, and this is something I was building for myself, and I'm now uploading it, and the Glapel and my things. So I will click on load on pack. It will open this and select the folder which is extensions. Click on select folder, and that's it. Now it's running. So I will go to my YouTube and go to home. It should, when you go to home, do like that, but I don't know why. Yeah, listen, so extension is working. When I go into my channel, it will and refresh. YouTube is working. Okay, so inside Basa Caudal, which is my other channel, when I refresh, it says the extension is working. And when I go inside the video, little extension is working. So now we uploaded our extension on Microsoft Edge, but only local for me, so you won't find it on the big market. You can easily upload it by going to the partner Microsoft.com dashboard overview. Also, this link will be in the description, and from there you will upload it. But for other browsers, you have to work very hard on it, because if you don't, they will just decline it. So, for example, like you can see CPK in the store, which is mine, then the code dark mode, which I just sent it today, is still in review, and also the stats dark mode is still in review. It should take like 1 day or 2 days. Just they, they didn't look at it yesterday since I think yesterday was the presidential day in the US. So this is it. So now you know how to build it. There's one key problem. So if you have already an extension on Chrome, and Chrome can support manifest version 2, you have to change the whole manifest to 3, or it won't allow it. So this is a tricky thing. You have to check it. Okay. And a little. So now you know how to upload the channel. So is it not working? It could be not working since I didn't like focus on working it, but at least we know this is how. So anything you put in the JS will learn. Well, the extensions I make in the JS just more things, just importing a CSS file that is hosted on another website, and when I go and it left it. So and you can add, you can remove, I mean, many things, and this is how you can upload an extension locally on Microsoft Edge. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you very much.